Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Your dreamy French shabby chic garden. Ideas to bring it to life. Ever dream of a garden that feels like a secret corner of the French countryside, full of romance and whisper-soft charm? That's the magic of a French shabby chic garden. It's not about being perfect or pristine. It's about creating a space that feels lovingly worn, effortlessly elegant, and sweetly nostalgic. Imagine soft colors, time-worn treasures, and flowers that seem to have been growing there for generations. It's a style that whispers rather than shouts, inviting you to slow down, relax, and savor a moment of pure tranquility. Ready to bring that daydream to life in your own backyard? Let's explore some lovely laid-back ideas together. Imagine your garden feeling like it's been there for 100 years, softly weathered by the sun and rain. For your walls and fences, think peeling paint in soft grays, creamy whites, or faded sage green. Perfection is in the imperfection here. Instead of a stark new patio, use reclaimed brick or old limestone pavers for paths, letting moss and tiny creeping plants fill the cracks charmingly. An arched trellis, especially one made from wrought iron with a rusted patina, is a must for climbing roses or clematis. Don't be afraid to include a slightly rickety-looking wooden bench or a time-worn garden gate. They add instant storybook character. These elements create the quiet, timeless backdrop everything else will bloom against. The planting style here is lush, romantic, and just a little bit wild, like the garden is tending itself. Go for a palette of soft colors. Think lavender, blush pink, powder blue, cream, and plenty of green. You absolutely need old-fashioned roses, the kind with a delicious scent and messy, beautiful blooms. Mix in billowy perennials like foxgloves, hydrangeas, and catmint to create soft, flowing drifts of color. Let herbs like rosemary, thyme, and lavender spill over edges. They smell amazing and add to that rustic French feel. Remember, the goal is a gentle abundance, so allow plants to self-seed and lean into each other a bit. This is where the real shabby and chic come to play, so have fun hunting for treasures. Your furniture should look found at a flea market. Think a wrought iron bistro set with a chipped paint finish or a wooden table with a well-worn surface. Always include something unexpected, like an antique headboard turned into a garden trellis or a vintage bicycle with a basket full of flowers. Look for weathered terracotta pots, stone urns with lichen, and zinc watering cans left casually lying about. Linens are key too. Drape a faded floral tablecloth over your table, or use French grain sack stripes as napkins. These personal collected touches make the space feel uniquely yours and wonderfully lived in. It's the small details that will make your garden feel like a secret, enchanted escape as the day ends. Twinkling fairy lights strung through the trellis or in glass mason jars create the most magical evening glow. Add the gentle sound of water with a simple stone bird bath, or a classic French fontaine wall fountain with a gentle trickle. Vintage-inspired elements like a weathered sundial, a rusted bird cage, or old botanical prints staked in the garden add layers of interest. Finally, ensure there's a cozy spot for you to enjoy it all. A plush cushion on that bench or a throw blanket draped over a chair invites you to stay a while. After all, this garden is meant to be lived in and loved, not just looked at.